It's always, but how much? But how much leverage should I use in this strategy that you made? I want a clear answer. It's difficult to recommend a specific level of leverage for a mean reversion strategy provided as the appropriate amount of leverage will depend on the number of factors, including your risk tolerance, trading experience. Okay, so it doesn't want to give me a. I'm not just going to sit here and read this, but it doesn't want to give me an exact number of leverage. So I'm just going to use small leverage. Let's say leverage equals 3. So I just can write that in code. Leverage equals 3. Let's go ahead and get it to code some more for us though, because, well, actually first I want to get this data frame going. And let's see here. We got the current price, the average price, fetch open, high, low, close. I guess it already got the open, high, low, close in the first one, but check this out. This is powerful. Let's go ahead and say, let's bring this in. Open, high, low, close volume. And I want to print the data frame, and then print F, this is the average price. Average price. So we're gonna get the data frame that it created, and this is all ChatGPT. Pretty amazing. AI can do this type of stuff. Look at that. It got the whole data frame. So for the last, I can't see what the date and time is. So I'm gonna ask it to convert the date and time into a readable. For the above data frame you created, please make the date, please add a human readable date and time from the timestamp. So as you can see here, it says a timestamp. I have no clue what that means. You know, I don't know what time that is. So now it's coding out import pandas as PD, and then it says to do this, to make timestamp. So df timestamp, df set, print PD. Okay, interesting. Okay, so essentially what it did is it just took away my timestamp, which is fine. I kind of wanted both. Well, let's keep the timestamp as epoch time and also have a date column with a human readable. This is pretty cool though, right? Because now I can just pretty much work with it, and it's kind of like a partner. To keep the timestamp column as epoch time and add a separate column, use pd.datetime. So, you know, fortunately I know how to do this, but you can see the timestamp here is like that, and I can't read it. So essentially it went ahead and wrote me this new code here. So it says add a new date column, and I'll walk you through this. So we'll put that here. And it says add a new date column to the data frame with the human readable date and time. Pretty amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and now print this again, and we can see all of the data, hopefully. And you can see it's right here, date. Now set that date, now set that date column to be the first column in the data frame. So what I'm trying to say here is, even if you don't know how to code, this is super helpful.